In a quiet village surrounded by fields and narrow roads, a young boy named Adam lived a simple life. Every morning, Adam walked past successful people, tall buildings, and fast cars. He often stopped and looked at his own worn shoes and empty hands. He felt small in a world that seemed to move too fast for him. One evening, as the sun set behind the trees, Adam sat alone on a broken bench. The sky turned orange, then dark. His face showed doubt, fear, and tired dreams he didn't know how to reach. The next morning, something changed. Adam woke up before sunrise. He tied his shoes tightly and stepped outside. The road ahead was long, dusty, and unknown. He started walking. Some days were easy. Some days were painful. Rain soaked his clothes. Mud slowed his steps. People passed him without noticing. Still, he kept moving forward. Once, he fell. He sat on the ground, breathing heavily, staring at the dust on his hands. For a moment, quitting felt easier than continuing. Then, slowly, he stood up. With every step, Adam became stronger. His walk turned confident. His eyes looked forward, not down. Seasons changed. Roads changed. The boy changed. One day, Adam reached a high hill. From there, he could see his village below, small and quiet. The place that once felt like a cage now looked like a beginning. He looked down at his hands. They were dirty, rough, and tired. Adam closed his hands, took a deep breath, and made a decision. He turned away from the village and chose a new road. That road led toward the sea. The buildings were tall. The streets were loud. Life was hard. Adam worked long days and restless nights. He learned. He failed. He tried again. Slowly, his skills grew. His confidence grew. His hands, once only dirty with dust, became steady with purpose. Years passed. Adam became professional, respected, reliable. Not because life became easy, but because he never stopped working hard. One day, Adam returned to his village. He walked the same narrow roads, but this time with calm confidence. He stood again on the hill, looking down at the village he once dreamed of escaping. The sun rose behind him, casting a long shadow ahead. He didn't rush. He didn't forget where he came from. He simply smiled, knowing the road had changed him. And that was enough. Success does not come from where you start, but from your courage to keep going and never give up.